It's a rainy day at the bus station. Passengers are waiting for the bus, but this rain and scattered garbage turning the place slippery and unsafe. The bus finally arrives, struggling to stop on the wet, messy road. Passengers start moving toward the bus, not caring about the slippery road beneath them.
Ah!
One passenger slips on garbage and falls. Everyone turns toward her.
Hey, are you all right?
I'm okay. Just slipped because of this garbage. It's all over the place.
Oh, that's a serious issue. We should call the garbage collector right away.
Hey, don't worry. I'll call the garbage collector right now. Hello, garbage collector. The bus station is messy and passengers are slipping. Please clean it now.
Understood. We'll be there shortly to clean the area.